Good day, class! Welcome to week 3, day 1 of our English lesson. Today we have exciting learning goals. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to identify the important elements of a story, arrange events in order, understand the traits of the main character, and determine cause and effect in events. Are you ready? By the end of our lesson, you will be able to identify important elements in a story, arrange events in the correct order, describe the main character based on actions, identify cause and effect in the story, connect the story to your own experiences, and share your own ideas about the story. I have some questions for you. What do you need when you want to buy something? Yes, we need money. Now, do you think saving money is important? Why or why not? Can anyone share specific ways you save money? Be specific. For example, do you keep coins in a jar or avoid spending on toys? Very good, class! All your answers are correct. Saving money helps us buy what we want and helps us during emergencies. Let's look at some important words for today's lesson. Save, spend, need, want, and money. These words will help us understand the story better. Today, we will read a story about a mouse deer or pilandok. While listening, observe the traits examples from the story.